Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and fine. I am Mrs. Reshma teacher. Children, what can you see in the sky? Yes, we can see the sun, the moon and stars in the sky. Sun shines during the day. The shape of the sun is round. Moon and stars shines at night. What else can you see flying in the sky? Yes, we can see birds flying in the sky and children flying kites in the sky. So let us study about the common birds.
Duck, crow, crane, sparrow, pigeon, hen, eagle, parrot. What is the color of the parrot? The color of the parrot is green. It has a red beak and a long tail. The peacock is our national bird. It has colorful feathers. Just as peacock is our national bird, tiger is our national animal. Tiger. Lotus. Lotus is our national flower. Now let us study about the body parts of the birds. Birds have wings, feathers, tail, beak. Birds fly with the help of their wings. Wings means punk. Their body is light in weight. Light in weight means halka wazan. Birds are of different colors. Birds make nests on trees. Nest means ghosla. They lay eggs in the nest. Baby birds hatch from the eggs. चिड़िया अपने घोंसलों में अंडे देती है. उन अंडों में से बेबी बर्ड्स निकलती हैं. Birds eat fruits, insects. Beak means chonch. Children, this is your homework in Me and My Environment book. Page number 27. Match each bird to its shadow. Shadow means parchai. Shadow. Which bird is this, children? Yes, sparrow. So you have to match the sparrow with its shadow with the help of the scale. Okay. Now next is hen. Where is hen? Yes, here. Match with hen shadow. Next, crow. Match with crow shadow. Pigeon, parrot, vulture. Now rest you have to match. Okay, children? And page number 28. Circle only the birds from the pictures given below. In this, you have see the insect also there and birds also there. We have to circle only birds. Which insect is this, children? Yes, butterfly. So don't circle it. This is a crow. Yes, bird. Circle the crow. Hen. Circle the hen. Hen also a bird. Crane. Circle the crane. Now which insect is this? Honeybee. Don't circle it. Owl. Yes. Owl is a bird. Circle the owl. Macaw. Yes, macaw is also a bird. Circle the macaw. Okay, children? Now do this homework in your book. Thank you.